Hi, I'm Michaela, your deputy coach, and in this video, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the approved timesheets page. Let's start with these buttons at the top, which will dictate the timesheets you see on the page. You can view timesheets for one location, multiple locations, or all locations. You can even select or deselect certain areas by expanding the location. Choose the week you want to view here, or you can set any other time period by clicking Edit and choosing the period of time you want to view plus the start day. Or you can select any custom dates here. If you want to view the timesheets for just one team member, you can select them from the left. Click on the team member again to deselect them and see all team members' timesheets. You can use the search bar to search for a particular team member, and you can sort your team member list here. We can further refine how we see our timesheets by changing how they're grouped. Click this drop-down in the top left to group by team member, by area, or by date. Use these buttons to see only timesheets that have been approved, timesheets that have not yet been approved, and all timesheets. Let's have a look at the main part of the page now. I can see the key details of each timesheet at a glance. This column tells you the status of the timesheet. An approved status with the lightning bolt means that this timesheet has been automatically created from a leave request. We'll get to creating leave timesheets a little later. Discarded timesheets will not be completely deleted, but will appear with this discarded status. This is so that you can still view the history of the timesheet and even reinstate it if needed. Discarded timesheets will not appear on the Export Timesheets page. An absent status means that this shift exists on the schedule, but the team member didn't clock into the shift. When I look at today's timesheets, I'm likely to see on shift, meaning this team member is currently clocked in, or late, which means the shift start time has passed and the team member hasn't yet clocked in. If you see a warning symbol next to the status, you can hover over it to find out more information. Once a timesheet has been approved, you'll see the total cost of that timesheet in this column. Hover your mouse over this speech bubble to see the most recent comment on this timesheet, or click in to see all comments. To quick approve timesheets one by one, you can use the Approve button here. Or to view or edit the details of the timesheet, simply click to open the timesheet pop-up. To approve timesheets in bulk, you'll be using these checkboxes. You can approve timesheets a day at a time, or by team member, or simply check this box to select all timesheets. You'll notice once I've selected multiple timesheets that this Approve button has appeared. This is going to be a great time saver because this button allows me to approve all timesheets where the clock in and clock out times are within a certain variance of the shift start and end times. To set the variance that you're happy with, head to your location settings and in the timesheet section, scroll all the way down to find these settings. If a timesheet shows as absent, meaning the team member hasn't clocked in or out of the shift, it may be because they didn't work that shift or that they just forgot. Click the timesheet to open the details. Now, if the team member forgot to clock in for this shift, but they did work it, I can adjust the shift details as needed and then click Approve. If they didn't work the shift, I might want to discard the timesheet, or I might need to turn this timesheet into a leave timesheet. Click Request Leave. Fill in the leave details, making sure this team member has sufficient leave balance, and approve. Once the leave timesheet is ready, refresh the page and you'll see the leave timesheet approved and ready to export. And for more information on approving timesheets, search Approved Timesheet in your Deputy Help menu.